In a historic moment for millions of Hindus across the country, the Ram Mandir in Ayodhya was consecrated with the Ram Lalla idol placed in the Garbhagriha on January 22nd. After 500 years, Ram Lalla came home, making the fulfillment of a centuries-old promise. The nation watched in awe as chants of devotion echoed across the country.
सदियों की प्रतीक्षा के बाद हमारे राम आ गए.
The Pran Pratishtha was marked by the presence of most of India's elite, from Prime Minister Narendra Modi to Bollywood celebrities and sports stars. This symbolic event marked the culmination of decades of political, legal and religious struggles. However, it was not enough to bring around the India bloc, which boycotted the momentous event.
आज हमारे राम आ गए हैं. सदियों की प्रतीक्षा के बाद हमारे राम आ गए हैं. सदियों का अभूतपूर्व धैर्य, अनगिनत बलिदान, त्याग और तपस्या के बाद हमारे प्रभु राम आ गए हैं. हमारे राम लला अब इस दिव्य मंदिर में रहेंगे. और ये कितनी बड़ी राम कृपा है कि हम सब इस पल को जी रहे हैं, इसे साक्षात घटित होते देख रहे हैं. आज दिन दिशाएं, दिगंत सब दिव्यता से परिपूर्ण है. ये समय सामान्य समय नहीं है. ये काल के चक्र पर सर्वकालिक शाही से अंकित हो रही अमिट स्मृति रेखाएं हैं.
The Telugu Desam Party, once a major rival of the BJP, made a surprising comeback as an ally of the National Democratic Alliance. This shift in alliances had major implications for regional politics in Andhra Pradesh, propelling Chandrababu Naidu to the Chief Minister's chair once again. Back at the centre, this shift also ensured an NDA government for a third time.
भारत माता की.
The NDA, under the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, secured a remarkable third consecutive victory in the general elections, reinforcing its dominance in Indian politics and solidifying Modi's position. This was accompanied by another historic first, with the BJP forming a government in Odisha, a state that has long been a stronghold of the Biju Janata Dal. This marked a new phase in the state's political landscape, with the BJP making inroads into an area once considered impenetrable.
संविधान प्रति श्रद्धा और निष्ठा रखिबी, भारतर सार्वभौमत्व और अखंडता रक्षा करिबी. I, Rahul Gandhi, having been elected a member of the House of the People, do solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established.
A decade in the making, India's political landscape saw a seismic shift as 3 Gandhi family members entered parliament. Rahul Gandhi officially became the leader of the opposition after a wait of almost 10 years, while Priyanka Gandhi made her debut in the Lok Sabha, marking a resurgence for the Congress and its first family.
मैं प्रियंका गांधी वाड्रा, जो लोकसभा की सदस्य निर्वाचित हुई हूँ, सत्यनिष्ठा से प्रतिज्ञा करती हूँ कि मैं विधि द्वारा स्थापित भारत के संविधान के प्रति सच्ची श्रद्धा और निष्ठा रखूंगी. मैं भारत की प्रभुता और अखंडता, अक्षुण्ण रखूंगी तथा जिस पद को मैं ग्रहण करने वाली हूं उसके कर्तव्यों का श्रद्धापूर्वक निर्वहन करूंगी। जय हिंद।
राष्ट्रपति संसद की सिफारिश पर यह घोषणा करते हैं कि यह 30 दिन से भारत के राष्ट्रपति द्वारा इस घोषणा पर हस्ताक्षर किए जाएंगे और इसे सरकारी गैजेट में प्रकाशित किया जाएगा। इस दिन से उक्त अनुच्छेद 370 के सभी खंड लागू नहीं रहेंगे।
For the first time since the abrogation of Article 370 in 2019, Jammu and Kashmir held its long-awaited assembly elections, a landmark moment. These elections marked the return of grassroots democracy to the region, as it was also the first assembly election in the valley since 2014. Omar Abdullah was reinstated as Jammu and Kashmir Chief Minister, which was a surprising turn given he lost his race for a seat in the Lok Sabha in the national elections a few months prior.
I, Omar Abdullah, do swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India, that I will faithfully and conscientiously discharge my duties as Chief Minister for the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir.
Jammu and Kashmir elections, which are usually marred with boycott, didn't just see a turnout of about 64%, but also the participation of a host of separatists and 365 independent candidates. However, 5 former militants, 4 jailed separatist leaders, and 10 candidates from the banned Jamaat-e-Islami faced humiliating defeats, pointing to the winds of change that have finally embraced the Kashmir region.
पिछले 5 साल से खत्म करने की मुकम्मल कोशिश की गई थी। यहाँ बहुत सी ऐसी तंजीमें खड़ी की गई जिनका मकसद था नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस को खत्म करना, लेकिन अल्लाह का फजल है कि जो हमें खत्म करने के लिए आए थे मैदान में, वो खुद ही मतलब उनका कोई नामो निशान नहीं रहा।
In other state elections, defying the odds, the BJP clinched a historic third term in Haryana with a simple majority, fine-tuning caste calculations and leveraging administrative advantages despite anticipation of trouble after Lok Sabha elections. The same turnaround was replicated in Maharashtra, where it emerged victorious from choppy waters with unnatural ally partners, winning 132 seats, only 13 short of a clear majority. The BJP's dominance was reaffirmed in both states, with some attributing the turnaround to organizational strength of the RSS and inclusive outreach to all.